Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling fine, thanks.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and gardening.
How's your family doing?
They're all doing well, thanks.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim quite well.
What's your favorite fruit?
I really like apples.
Are you busy right now?
No, I have some free time.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I went camping last summer.
What's your favorite movie?
I enjoy action movies.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas the most.
Are you good at cooking?
I'm still learning, but I can cook basic meals.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the subway.
What's your favorite book?
I love To Kill a Mockingbird.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I enjoy getting up early.
How do you usually relax?
I like taking long walks in the park.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I have a weakness for chocolate cake.
Do you have any upcoming plans?
I'm going to a concert next week.
How do you like to spend weekends?
I often visit friends and go to the movies.
Are you familiar with this area?
Yes, I know it quite well.
What's your favorite color?
I really like green.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
How do you stay organized?
I make to-do lists and use a planner.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evenings.
How do you handle challenges?
I take them step by step and stay positive.
What's your favorite animal?
I'm fond of dogs.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I prefer milder flavors.
How do you celebrate birthdays?
I usually have a small gathering with family.
What's your favorite season?
I love the autumn season.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
How do you keep fit?
I go for a run and do yoga.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I find them cozy and calming.
How do you stay motivated?
I set goals and remind myself of them.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like going for picnics with friends.
Do you like shopping?
Not really, I prefer online shopping.
How do you handle time management?
I prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I enjoy Italian food the most.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
How do you unwind after work?
I watch TV shows and relax on the couch.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the beach for vacations.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I like experimenting with recipes.
How do you deal with stress?
I practice deep breathing and take breaks.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Do you like attending parties?
Not really, I prefer quieter gatherings.
How do you handle disagreements?
I try to listen and find common ground.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I loved spending summers at my grandparents' house.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy live music performances.
How do you start your day?
I begin with a healthy breakfast and some stretching.